Good morning, everybody. Another one of our LS's. This happens to be going to a 65 Corvette. It's our 600 horsepower edition, made about 608 horsepower, 573 foot-pounds of torque. Gentleman chose to do his whole engine black, and that's exactly what we did. Came out fantastic, and he happened to choose the nice hidden coil packs under the valve covers. Again, all of our engines are custom built to order. Anything we can help with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, Lawrence, I happen to have your 65 Chevy Corvette engine on the dyno. It's our LS3 427 cubic inch, and we're going to fire it up and give you a run demo.